was a really active April to wrap things up, right? 282, that's the number of tornadoes that we saw, 11 of which were EF2 or stronger. So what's May look like? Preliminary outlooks, let's show it to you. Come in close with me. In terms of severe weather for the month of May, it's typically, as Craig mentioned, the most active severe weather month of the year. We'll show you that in just a second. Temperature-wise, there's a big old ridge across the western part of the United States, perhaps bumping up temperatures and keeping us a little bit more warm. And in terms of precip rain, unfortunately, it looks like that drought may persist. Here was the pattern last month where there was a big ridge out toward the east. It was a big dip in our jet stream out west, and this served as that expressway for big-time showers and thunderstorms. We're flipping that in the month of May. So what's that mean? It should mean at this point that we see a less active severe weather season. Typically, this is what it looks like in the month of May. Tornado Alley, right? Typically kind of highlighted for being one of those hot spots, especially in the Central Plains states from Oklahoma into Kansas, where we see the highest probability of seeing tornadic activity. We mentioned this a second ago, but in a general average year, we see about 275 plus tornadoes in the month of May. Now, remember that this year in April, we saw 282, so we'll see whether or not we achieve a higher number than that. This past April, by the way, over 1,500 severe weather reports in terms of wind, over 1,200 reports of large hail, 250 of which of those reports larger than 2 inches. In terms of the precip outlook, unfortunately, down toward the southeast, looks like we're going to be fairly normal in terms of how much rain we pick up. We could use a little more than that. Down toward Texas, the Lone Star State, perhaps a little above average, and then Seattle, Tacoma area, you'll notice perhaps a little below average. One of the reasons why is because it's so warm. That's what the outlook is calling for the month of May. So friends and family from SeaTac down towards San Francisco and out west, it looks like things should be a little bit more warm. Now, Craig, what you're not seeing on here, places like New York City, D.C., Philadelphia, and Boston, where it's cold today, to be honest with you. It looks like that cool air is going to persist into the first few weeks of May. So not great news there, but, at least we'll save a few dollars. We don't have to, crank up our air conditioning too high just yet.